Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this session we are going to do one more problem on trigonometric identities, which is this one, right? See here, we need to show that cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta will be equal to what? 1. So here it is LHS part and this is RHS part. We need to take this LHS part and we need to obtain this, right? Now take LHS part now, that is LHS equal to what? As we written that cosecant theta minus sin theta into what? Secant theta minus cos theta into what? Tan theta plus cot theta. This is what LHS we took. Now generally what is your idea to do? In this position generally a student think that, general perception is that we need to multiply all these three expressions. But just imagine that what happens if you do multiplication. Simply it gives, it results a biggest expression, means largest thread of a trigonometric expression, which is very clumsy to solve. So we shouldn't make it complex. So what we have to do here, in order to solve it, simply solve each and every individual expressions. Okay, for our convenience, better we do one thing, that convert all the trigonometric terms into sine and cos. Okay, just see here, convert these all terms into sine and cos, convert these all terms into sine and cos, and convert all these terms into sine and cos individually. Now consider this first expression now. Now cosecant theta minus sin theta. What is cosecant theta actually? Cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is a reciprocal of cosecant theta mutually. So here cosecant theta can be written as what? 1 by sin theta or not, because it is reciprocal as we said now. Okay, minus sin theta, right? Now what is next? Secant theta minus cos theta. For this expression, secant theta is again reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, right? Now if you want to convert the tan theta into sin and cos, it's a ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So here sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta is a ratio between cos to sin theta, right? So therefore cos theta by sin theta, right? This is what the conversion of all the terms into sin thetas and cos thetas. This is for our convenience, right? Now what we have to do next? Simply solve individual expressions first. In order to solve them, take the LCM of these two terms. To take the LCM, I am considering here denominator as 1. Now to take the LCM, we need to multiply 1 and 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. Sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta by sin theta into 1. That would be your sin theta into, again you put the denominator of cos theta as 1. So 1 into 1, that is 1. Cos theta into cos theta, that would be your cos square theta by cos theta into 1, that is cos theta again. Now consider this one, sin theta into sin theta, that would be how much? Sin square theta. Cos theta into cos theta would be how much? Cos to the square theta by cos theta into sin theta, right? Cos theta into sin theta. This is what about the simplification. Now for further solution, let us consider the first identity of trigonometry, that would be your sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, now just think, if you want to find out the value of sin square theta in terms of cos square theta, just send this cos square theta to another side of the equation, then its symbol gets changes. So then what happens? Sin square theta equal to what? This plus will convert it to minus, that is 1 minus cos square theta So here if you want to write this identity in form of cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Now if you take this sin square theta to another side of the equation and you want to leave here cos square theta, then what happens? Then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, right? So these two are the two different different forms we wrote here. Why we are writing like that? Because here 1 minus sin square theta is also there and 1 minus cos square theta is also there in the given expression, right? So what can we write here? 1 minus sin square theta can be replaced by what? Cos square theta or not? So we write the cos square theta here, cos square theta by what? Sin theta. First expression is solved. Now 1 minus cos square theta can be what? So 1 minus cos square theta can be written as what? Sin square theta. Now replace this 1 minus cos square theta with sin square theta by this is what? Cos theta again into. Now just tell me what is the numerator part over here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is my value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Obviously 1 because it's an identity. So here 1 by sin theta into cos theta, right? Sin theta into cos theta. Simply what can you do? From here only you can cancel or otherwise just try to simplify them. Here what is the numerator part? Here sin square theta into cos square theta by this sin theta is multiplied 2 times. So therefore sin square theta again and cos theta into cos theta would be cos square theta. So what happened here? All are cancelled together, means numerator and denominator part is getting same. So after cancellation of that we get 1 which is our required RHS. So we got this equal to RHS. So successfully we took LHS and we got RHS successfully in this problem. So there is nothing to solve here. In this problem there is no more complicated steps. Very simple thing is that first of all we need to convert each and every expression in terms of sin and cos, and then after taking the LCM of each individual expression and by just converting the 1 minus sin square theta and 1 minus cos square theta and here sin square theta plus cos square theta using this identity, and we just finally after cancellation of all the numerator and denominator parts we simply obtained 1. So this is what the simplest problem. This is the simplest problem from the trigonometric identities. Like this we can solve. And before solving the another problem, just have a look at this. Observe this once.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.